Shake your body.
Hey guys, it's Jeff the Maintenance Man. We're going to be doing another PTAC video. Thermostat's not working. We have a thermostat on the wall. I got this currently bypassed. The thermostat's been disconnected. To properly cool these rooms, usually what we usually do, hopefully y'all can see what I'm about to do. Because it doesn't matter, none of these are going to be energized. We need wire cutters and everything. We'll be changing it to a wireless thermostat. So. I don't care about these wires anymore. Just get snapped off. It's not going to be used anymore for the remainder of this project. So I don't care. I love it. There we go. Because the reason I did that is I didn't bring a screwdriver to get all these wires out of there and stuff. Like I said, they're not going to be energized. They're going to be shoved back here in this hole because we're putting in a wireless thermostat. We're going to use the same beauty plate here. We'll put that on the wall and then the wireless thermostat as well. So, without further ado, the wireless thermostat's in this box. Well, I hope this will. The instructions? Nah, we need those. We need those. Alright, so I'll take the wireless thermostat, pull it apart, starting from the bottom, kind of like that, and separate. Get your new holes here. That one. Make sure it's level. Just eyeball that part of it. They're slightly smaller than the beauty plate. I didn't have to use that beauty plate. Usually I do. Which was kind of weird. I didn't have to do that. Go ahead and throw off the factory doodad there. Find some batteries. Oh, yeah, that thing shut up because that was getting irritating. Actually, I might just turn it off so I won't do that again. I'm going to need to heat up in here anyway to see if this thermostat works and all that. I'm just getting the battery out, guys. No big deal there. So just put the batteries inside the thermostat. No. It is a wireless thermostat, so it's going to have to have batteries. There's 4 double A's. There it is. Alright, before I put this on the wall, I'm going to show you what I need to do here. Come along, shall we? Alright, so I have a transmitter. Z said box. So I have a transmitter. I'm gonna set you guys up right here somewhere. Alright, there we go. That'll probably be a good angle for you guys to see this. Alright. So with the transmitter, unwrap the transmitter here. Inside you're going to find this little 4-prong wire. Wire management things kind of screwing me up here. There we go. Undo your wire. Undo the wire. There we go. Alright, right here there's a 4-prong plug. Weird. Same plug that needs to go into that. It can only be plugged in one way, and that is the clip facing down like that. After I've done that, get the trash out of the way. And the box comes with 2 little screws. Get off of there. Going to take them, they're Phillips head screws or 1/4 inch driver nuts, and this should be facing downward. There's 2 holes that are going to line up, and they are, where are they? Never had this problem before, but you don't need all 2 holes. Basically, you just need one just to hold that receiver. So that's what we'll do. It's not. Sorry, that's loud as shit. Sorry about that. That'll work. Doesn't have to be perfect, but if this was a professional install, I would probably zip through that sheet metal on the other side. Alright, so here's the nitty-gritty of this. Right, see that little button? That's the alarm button. So what we're going to do is hold off until I see this light stay on, so. Or it turns L rather, I'm sorry. It's been a while since I've done one of these, and then I'm going to press and hold the alarm button, let go, learn again. Let go. Make sure it's on. Okay, it is. Learn. There it goes. LR. It learned it. Learn one more time. Hit off. And now, when you do something on this thermostat, like mode, cool. See? I can change the temperature. 64, 64, up, down, left, right, whatever. There you go. So we take this now and we put it over here on the wall. Top side slides in first, clicks onto the wall. There's 2 tiny little screws. I'm going to spare you from this little part of it, but there's 2 tiny screws that go in these holes here and here to just affix it to the wall a little bit better, because you can still rip this off. It also has an occupancy sensor, so if it doesn't sense any motion in the room, it kind of stops. And there's a bunch of other programming things you can do with it, but I just leave it factory default, and that'll work for 65. Come over here. It's set to 65, so we're going to just take this up to 72, and then the fan will automatically go on to high mode, because it's going to want to get to that temperature as quickly as possible, I guess. I don't know. But it seems to be working now. I had a short in the thermostat wire, is why I redid this thermostat. And I'm not about to go through all that wire, go through this wall, that wall, and see where there's a splice or anything in it. No, not gonna do it. We're gonna take the guard here, put them back up. The filters are fine. I changed the filters in it. Damn near washed them all down and stuff. So what I do with this thermostat wire basically is just I tuck it under the unit with the power wire. Somebody's gonna be moving in here. So there you go. Clean up my trash and we get the hell out of here. Man, that's how easy it is. And that saves us from time from probing around these thermostats trying to figure out, you know, is it the red, the blue, the green, the yellow that's shorted or whatever. These Honeywell Pro 5000s, which that's a big indicator right there. It's on battery power. That's a big indicator that another reason why this thing's not working. Probably because the common wasn't run or something like that. I didn't even go into that. But wireless thermostat, wireless receiver installed. That's how you do it. Guys, thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'm Jeff, the Maintenance Man, and y'all have a great day. And stay safe.